Industrial Chrome Master and Sauce Battering Machine. Features of Industrial Sauce Battering Machine: minimum sauce volume 20 liters. Contains 2 electric motors and gearboxes. Having centrifuge pump functioning with the minimum amount of liquid sauce. Covers the product surface completely. Compatible with variety of products in different dimensions and shapes. The body, frames, and all parts of this machine are made of steel, able to connect contiguous lines. Released in 30 centimeters and 40 centimeters wide models. 1.5 kilowatt electricity consumption. Features of Industrial Chrome Master: having a hatch to set amounts of output breadcrumb. Simple and practical design. Easy to use and accurate functioning. High quality and great price. Has an electric control panel. It uses helix to transfer breadcrumb with a 1-year warranty and 10 years of after-sale services. Having CE certifications. Follow us on social media. www.nsimco.com